Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya's Cake Fantasy. Today I'm going to show you Iyengar's bakery style eggless rava cake. So let's get started. For this cake, we will need Amul fresh cream. So a half cup of Amul fresh cream. This is the main ingredient for this cake. 1 cup powder sugar and mix it nicely. This is the process of making original Iyengar bakery style eggless rava cake. Mix the batter nicely. There should be no lumps in your batter. So mix it properly. Now into this 1/4 cup of curd, thick curd. Mix it nicely. We are not going to use any oil, butter or maida in this recipe. So mix it nicely. Before we proceed further to the video, like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Now I am going to take 1 cup of rava and I am going to grind it. So now I am adding the grinded rava here and mix it nicely. So for 1 cup maida I have used 1 cup of sugar, powder sugar. You can adjust the sugar as per your taste. Now into this 1 teaspoon baking powder. I have used half teaspoon measurement here, so I am using twice baking powder. So the baking powder should be 1 teaspoon and your baking soda should be half teaspoon. Now baking soda half teaspoon and mix it nicely. Now mix the batter nicely. After mixing the batter, allow the batter to rest for some time, that is for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, I am going to add milk, 1/4 cup of milk. Slowly I am going to add the milk and mix the batter. So the consistency of the batter should be like this only. It should not be too thick and it should not be too thin. Now I am going to add vanilla essence. Half teaspoon of vanilla essence, and again I'm going to mix the batter properly. So in this recipe I have not used any maida, oil or butter. So the batter is ready now. So this is a 7-inch tin, bread loaf tin, and in this tin I'm going to place the butter paper. I'm not going to grease the tin. Directly I'm going to place the butter paper. So like this we are going to place the butter paper. So done with placing the butter paper. Now I am going to pour the batter. Now I have poured the batter into the tin. Now I am going to add some tutti frutti to the batter. So I have took tutti frutti and I am adding maida to the tutti frutti and mix it well. I am adding maida to the tutti frutti so that it won't sink into the bottom of the batter, and I am applying it on the batter, and with the help of a spatula I am going to just spread it inside the batter and bake this batter in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Now my cake is ready. I will show you the texture. I am removing the butter paper. See how soft and fluffy it is. It is very soft. A very yummy Iyengar bakery style eggless rava cake. Just for you guys. Thanks for watching.